Now let's take a look at the smart search. And what this does is when people come on your website, if you have a lot of content, it's sometimes can get frustrating for them to find what they're looking for if you don't have a method where they can just start typing in and it pulls up a search of what they're looking for. So we're going to add a menu here for smart search. And to do so, you go to plugin extensions, plugin manager, and you notice that by default the smart search is right here. By default it's not enabled, so you would have to enable this item. So click on the X, the red X. Okay, once you've done that, you want to go to component, smart search. And next, what you want to do is you want to index all the information on your site so when people are looking for something, they can be able to find it. So click on the index, and you get this message that says, our index is complete. So you want to X that out. Now, all the items on your site will be indexed here. So in other words, people can be able to find just about anything that you've put in on the back end. And next, you want to set up some type of filters for it. So you go to filters, new. Alright, this is where you have the option to be able to pick and choose what you want people to be able to search and what you don't want them to be able to search. So you just put in search 1 and then publishing. You can choose the date, filter, and times. If you want this to be a specific time when you want them to be able to search for something, you have the options here. If you have a start and end date. So I don't have anything right now. And what do you want them to be able to have access to? I'm just going to click search all. But if you want them to be able to search just categories or just countries or languages or whatever, you can put that, but just click search all. Alright, so save and close. Alright, let's go to the content maps. Alright, now let's create the menu for the search. So you want to go to menus, main menu, and you want to create a new menu item for this. Okay, select type. You want to go to smart search, and then you click, and this will pull that up by default, and you want to click on save. Now let's refresh this and see what that looks like. Alright, so you have this search bar here, search menu rather. When you click on it, it posts this nice search here for you. And as you begin to type, it's going to list a drop down of anything that has the particular word that you're looking for. For example, if you go on the home, let's go back to the home page here. You notice that, or look the block, we have a page called sample article 2, sample article 3. So when I go to smart search and I type anything that has article in it, you notice it pulls that. Let me click on that. Okay, when I type in the word sample, it pulls everything that has the word sample back there. And we'll have a sample article 2 and 3. So once you click on it and search, it gives you that specific. So when you have a large site with a ton of content, the smart search functionality is really great to have. It's so important that you have something like this, because it allows people to find exactly what they're looking for. And then of course they can do the advanced search. Once they click on advanced, they can get a little bit more detail if they want to search by a particular author, particular category, if they want to search by country. And once again, the point of the smart search is just to make things easier for people. You know, the last thing you want is when you, for example, you have a blog site and people come on your site and you have so much going on they can't find what they're looking for. Well, the smart search features here allows you can add this as a menu, or you can also add this as a module. So let's add this as a module so you can see how that looks. Alright, so now we are in the module manager part. So we'll just click on new, and we want to locate the smart search module. Smart search. Alright, for the position, early on we looked at the positions. This is where you want, where things are located on the front end. And position 7, position 7 is the right side, so let's choose that position. Let's choose the, we're just going to show this on all pages right now, so let's save. And let's refresh this. And if you notice, you have the smart search module we just created. So when someone starts, you know, typing in, it's going to automatically just show them, give them options so that they can be able to pick and choose. You know, just like when you go to Google to look for something, when you start typing things up, it starts giving you different options, so it narrows things down for you. So once again, the smart search is very important. If you have a lot of content, like a blog site or, you know, a company site that people are always looking for things, you want to utilize the smart search so they can be able to narrow in and find exactly what they're looking for.